bounty, but not for us.
She dead?
Maybe. Dude.
Filming a little gig for our Anaheim 1 Supercross party. Should be pretty sick.
If we got jumper cables, we can jump it from one bike to the other. So.
We got Jesse's freestyle bike, custom subframes, flip levers. Let's see what these goons are doing.
A wheelie shot with that guy's drone would be so sick.
That would be sick.
I think it'd be okay. We all.
No, I just don't want to block your faces.
Oh no,
you guys are who we're advertising. Okay,
Here's where I come into the video. It's gonna be fun.
So maybe Jack and whoever's gonna hold the board stand on one. Here.
What are we doing?
What do you think? We are making a bunch of bad decisions.
Okay.
We're gonna slam a beer.
yeah.
Yeah, you are. Oh, nice. You came off with it.
Just because he SU-on the fuck out of it.
Yeah, you did. All right, she's solid.
Wow, nice, David.
But I want to get the angel wings with me on the bike, and I want to try and wheelie away from it.
Yeah! This fucking guy.
Dog shit on the new pants.
I had
I fucking went down in dog shit.
Nuh-uh.
Dog shit on.
Ah! Look at this guy. About to break some laws. Whatever they say.
Fuck it, just do it.
Fine. David shit on my tire.
What the fuck, dude? Oh, he shit on his leg too.
Oh no, dude.